First oil change, and we got 582 miles. That looks pretty clean, man, for 600 from my first miles. And let's take a look at our plug here. Magnet, not too bad. About what I would expect. You know, there's some metal shavings there, but really super fine. And, yeah, as you can see, it's all super fine. Newton meters. There it is. Hey, that looks pretty good. Again, I love it. Let that drip. Okay, let's come over here to the light. Is this plug right there. Squirt this and flush this out really good. Like that. It's pretty clean, but I want to be careful and be thorough. Okay. Pretty simple, as you can see. And I believe it said 15 Newton meters, but I'm going to double check now. Okay, that's pretty good. That goes right back in. Look, she's beautiful. Yep. I think it's 8mm. Boom. Okay, I went and got a pick and a couple other things, but I think this is going to do it. Yep, look. So, there's my oil filter. Pick is the perfect tool. New oil filter. That's the big one. We're going to put that in. It only goes in one way. You want to take it in just like that. Okay. But it's a tight fit. Let me tell you. Look, I can't even grab it just like that because there's oil on it. Okay, so just take your pick. Look, that's beautiful. What I want to do is take a little bit of oil and coat this seal. Just a little bit. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to slide that back in there. Pushes in just like that. That should get us right at 6, or really close. Okay. Kind of even, Steven. Yep. Get down here a little bit. Okay. Leave that at 6 because I'm going to do the other side just like that. And now I'm going to clean this up. I don't like oil on my engine. 8mm. Love this bike. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. It just is. Put a wings exhaust on it. Put a 15-2 sprocket on it. Okay, here we go. Wiggle, wiggle. Nice. Perfect. You can just grab this. Look at that. That one comes out. You know, I like my pick still. I like my pick. That really, it does a good job. Well, I want to be sure. That's beautiful. Look at that. Okay. Okay. And I got oil on this ring right here. Still perfect. Look at that. Perfect. My torque wrench so I can see that it's torqued perfectly. Not too bad on the oil, but I can see some back in there. Alright, so, okay, here we go, torque wrench. Okay, just like that. Looks like she's done. I'm going to be probably a little short after I add this in, but it's going to be really close. Okay, skip plate's going back on. Like that. Yeah, that's about perfect. That's the wings exhaust. I just love it.